Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I'm gonna do small unboxing from Hermes. So currently the status of the stock in Hermes boutique, I don't think they are bringing many bags. Only I don't know, if you purchase a lot, maybe they're gonna rush to get you the bag you want. But I didn't purchase many things from the end of last year, so I don't expect anything. Some mini bag I reserved a long time ago. I'm still waiting. I'm not sure I'm gonna get soon. I'm not purchasing big things now. So I'm gonna do one twilly, as you can see, and shoe. And I'm gonna do review about Hermes sandal I have. This is also one of sandal I was waiting. So let me open twilly first. You know, the twilly small size you can use for the handbag handle, but I wanted to wear it on my neck like scarf. So let me open and show you, and we'll talk about the colors. You can see some mixture of colors, kind of blue brim color and orange color. It's my favorite from Hermes, I think, like a light blue brim and the orange color is so vivid. They make good orange color. So the thing I like about this twilly, as you can see, so many things here. You can see some animals, lion, also tiger, and bird. So many things you can see, and zebra, and the hand, and with a flower. And the other side I like is all different kinds of color. So I was looking at this new kind. It's twilly Grand Theatre Nouveau. Grand Theatre Nouveau twilly. The price was $195. So there were 4 kinds of color. This was, I think, orange theme. Print has everything in it. So let me try it quickly, like this. Oh my god, love it. I'm not a fan of wearing scarf mostly, but something like this, cute, right? If you do the other side, so it's gonna have different vibe. Pretty much orange is the main theme color. So let me open this shoe, and I'm gonna compare with the sandals I have. I think it's good time to review some flat sandal I have. As you know, I don't like the heel sandal because I can't walk anymore with any heel. No high heel. So this is flat as well. And I was waiting for this 4 months. I don't know why it took so long, but I was like 17th person to reserve. And yeah, it was really hip, I think. I've seen a lot of influencers on Instagram. They were wearing this a lot when it was like winter, in the middle of winter. Now it's like spring almost, and then I got this now. But yeah, I'm happy to get it because I really wanted this. So let me open. So this is, there's a showering, as you can see. I don't know how to pronounce well. Chypre sandal. Oh my god. They have like a kind of beigeish rose color, and this is black. The reason I like black is you're not gonna wash this, right? So because it's a showering. Showering in black, it's gonna be safe to wear without washing. I really love this part because when I try it on, see, you can adjust. So if you have big feet, you can adjust. And it's just like this. Yeah, so it was comfortable when I tried it on before I buy. From now on, I can wear this a lot, I believe, because it's open toe, but this part is very warm because it's showering. And you can see Hermes logo, rubber, I think this part. But this part is calfskin, I believe. It's really durable. You know, there's like Chanel similar style, but I think this is like really good to match with any outfit, so I like it. Made in Italy. So the price of this cheaper sandal is $830. Isn't it good price? I was surprised. I thought it's gonna be more than like 1,000 because there's a showering, leather here, you know. So I thought it's gonna be more than $1,000. But you know, orange sandal is like $630. This is like $830. So $200 difference. Yeah, but this is a really good deal compared to this material, sturdiness. I'm gonna show you more shot of this, and then before that, let me compare the flat sandal I have. You know, I buy only flat sandal from Hermes. I don't like to buy heeled one. I don't know why. I just don't feel comfortable. I can't wear like any heeled sandal. As you know, I have like some orange sandal, 2 orange sandal. Yeah, like this. So it's really dirty. So I'll try not to show the other side. One is a studded white orange sandal, and the other one is a denim. If you say, why do you buy same orange sandal? It's not same. Because of this material on the top, this is really soft and comfortable, even though this side is leather. When I wear this, I feel like I'm wearing really soft, like running shoe. sneakers, that kind of feeling. So comfortable. So it's, you can see it's so dirty now. I don't know how to clean here. I was wearing this whole summer. And this one is, I didn't wear a lot. The reason is here, the stud. This is all leather, first of all, so it's a kind of fun. Because of this stud, it was really hard to walk. I don't feel comfortable. So most of the time when I wear this studded orange sandal, I think here or here, I start to get scratched by this sharp edge. Yeah, sometimes I have to put band-aid here on my foot or this side on my foot. So it's a little bit not comfortable, but it's beautiful with a stud. It looks chic. I like any stud, but I would say this is not comfortable. But I don't see these days in homepage. Maybe it was not popular. They don't produce anymore, I guess. I saw the denim with a leather trimming. It looks comfortable as well. And maybe less getting dirty, I don't know. Denim is really good to wear. It's so comfortable because it's soft, at least this side. So it's not that firm. You can wear very comfortable. The edge doesn't scratch your foot a lot compared to this kind of studded or leather. I highly recommend denim orange sandal. We'll see, this one might be really comfortable. I'm sure it's gonna be comfortable because you can adjust like this. You can make it a little bit higher, like this. And there's one more. When I'm coming back from Korea, I think I got from duty free shop. And I don't see anymore in the homepage. Maybe it was not that popular, this sandal. I really like this one. It was really comfortable. Unique part of this sandal was it was made of goat, the top part, but the bottom part is a calf. So it's like really soft here compared to orange sandal. Because orange sandal is all calf skin, it's really firm, but this is soft because it's goat skin. So I loved it. This gold color is classic, so good to match with any outfit. I would say if I have to choose among these three, first, orange sandal in denim, I would choose. Second, Divi sandal. They try many different kind of orange sandal. I don't like this stud because it's not comfortable. When you wear, it's really hurting pretty much. So I don't recommend studded orange sandal. And there is a almost similar to orange, but with a little bit of heel, which is Oasis sandal. I want to try that someday, but I don't know. I don't feel like I want to wear any heeled sandal for now. It's gonna be pretty much similar to orange, I think. Yeah, so Oasis sandal, maybe someday I want to try. And Santorini sandal is almost same as orange, but there is a leather strap on the ankle side. It's gonna be comfortable, but you need to open and close that buckle every time. So I don't think I'm gonna enjoy that. I saw some beautiful seasonal colors. Maybe someday I can try. So far, orange denim is my first choice. When I start to wear this, I'm sure I'm gonna love this more than any other.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it